My name is Mary Kay Walters. I've been coming here for years. I really like this dentist. I have not found anybody as good as her, so I'm staying until she's too old to practice. And I found a real good dentist in her. So she's taking care of me. And anytime I call, the staff takes care of my calls. They always call me back. They've always been kind. They're friendly. This is the kind of place you really want to come to. This is a dentist office you're not afraid to come to. Oh yes, very comfortable. I've been to a few bad dentists in my time, and I've been to some that are rude, condescending. I've never had that here from her or her staff. They've always been kind, they've been pleasant, they're always smiling. They're always in a good mood. Whether they really are or not, they show you a good mood. So, I mean, it's nice to come up here and they explain everything before they do it so that you're not in for a big surprise or you're like, ow, that hurt and I didn't expect it. So that was one reason why I stayed with her, and I have referred friends and family up here too. And some of them have come and she's now their dentist. And I wouldn't do that if I didn't like her, because you don't have your friends and family, maybe your enemies, but not your friends and family. I really like the office. It's not overdone, it's nice, you're comfortable sitting here. And it's not jam-packed with, you don't know where to put your eyes at. I can come up here with my own book, and if I'm early, I can sit and wait till it's my turn and read my book and nobody bothers me. And the chairs are spaced far enough apart, you don't have to talk to your neighbor. My biggest concern before coming up here was losing all my teeth and not being able to find teeth that actually fit. I have seen horror stories where people got their false teeth and they clacked, they couldn't eat with them, they'd fall out when they talked. I'm like, no, I can't do that. I'm old, I'm falling apart, but at least I can smile. So she helped me with that. I smile more now because I'm more comfortable with the way she's got my teeth all set up, and she's got me fixed and everything else. They cleaned them the other day, and it's just, I know I can smile and I'm not self-conscious anymore, where you have to smile with your hand up. Now I'll smile with my teeth showing. I have to say, this is the nicest staff. They're very friendly, they're efficient, and it's just a pleasure to be here. You don't dread going to the dentist when you know you're going to see a friendly face at the other end who's going to be nice to you and treat you right. So that makes it easier to come up here. In fact, I've been to the dentist more since I've been with her than I was for 10 years before that. So that says something. I ended up having to have a lower plate, but she did the bone grafts on it, and I have the things there so I can snap them in, and I don't have to worry about when I talk. As you can see, they're not moving around. I can eat things I haven't been able to eat in a while, like nuts. I don't have to worry about my teeth cracking or chipping a tooth and that, and it's nice to have a full set of teeth again. So she's helped me with that. When I first got my teeth about 1.5 years ago, first day of the cruise, I lost my teeth. I called in before we left the country and let Jerry know what I had done, and they went and set everything up. So when I got back from the cruise, they were waiting for me and we had to make a new plate. I was surprised that I got in as fast as I did, and I was only without my teeth for maybe 2 weeks after the cruise. Oh, I felt so good because I felt so stupid for losing my teeth on the cruise. Even when they were snap-ins, I don't know what happened, but first day they were gone. And when I called her, she didn't laugh right away until I started laughing. And she was going to do everything she could to make sure I got my teeth back. Not the same ones, just a new set. And when I called and let them know that they were getting a little wobbly, I was in 2 days later and they fixed that problem too. So anytime I've ever had to call with anything, they've taken me right away and they've made sure that I'm happy and I'm comfortable. And even the bill wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. And that's the scary part. My experience here is this is the first dentist office that I've ever gone to that's made me feel comfortable, that's listened to my concerns, and put me where I want to be with my smile and my teeth. Now, they might have fixed me the lower plate, but they did it my way so that I don't have to worry about them falling out. And that meant everything to me.